I thought this was just a smaller, compact, wet dry vacuum, so I wanted it for our camper. It showed up like a third of the size of my full-size machine, so I was thrilled about that. But then I discovered what this thing does. So I don't know if you've had any wet dry vacs, but I'm obsessed with them like I am washing machines. It's just a thing. I'm weird. And I have never seen this. Not one out of the 20 whatever some odd machines like this that I have tried does what this one does. You can freaking choose if you're mopping while you're vacuuming. The mop part of it is like a spray button, so you push that when you want to start running water. As you can see, that scrubber is rugged and it was actually cleaning without water. Now look, I push the button, I have water. So I can be just vacuuming or vacuuming and mopping at the same time. Whenever I want, however I want. The swivel is fantastic. And I don't know if I even need to mention this, but every single component on a Shark is always top tier. But this just became my favorite wet dry vac because that is revolutionary. As it mentions in the manual, if you want to just clean up pet fur first, don't run the water, because sometimes the water will cause the pet fur to like stick to the floor. You can just vacuum and then kick on the sprayer and mop. I'm mind blown by this. I'm absolutely mind blown. So not only is it super tiny and compact like I wanted, but it has revolutionary features that I didn't even know it had. Very easy to clean. These machines are all kind of similar. You've got like a dirty water tank and a clean water tank. And I am ridiculous about letting my floors get really filthy with a ton of hair when I'm trying a new machine. And that's because I need to see how well it really does. This thing picked up a serious amount of dog hair. And normally there wouldn't be this much because I would have vacuumed daily. I cannot stress enough that this is the coolest machine in the game right now. It'll be linked on the bottom left. The price is amazing. Get one for yourself, especially if you need compact.